Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use ChatGPT for free. So for that, open up your browser and search for OpenAI on it. Then click on the very first link that you will see on the search results, and let's open it up. And this is how it will look like. All you have to do is just click on try on the very top where it is saying that introducing ChatGPT release, and just click on try right beside it, and it will open up a new screen. You can either log into your existing account or create a new account, and after creating a new account, this is where it will lead you to. You have to verify after creating your account, and this screen will appear after that. All you have to do is just ask the questions on the bottom side of your screen, and whatever questions that you will throw at this chat gpt, it will answer all of your questions, but there is no guarantee that it will be giving you 100% correct answers. And this is how it works. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.